Evening class. Today in this video lecture I will tell you about past indefinite tense. What is past indefinite tense is called in Urdu फेल माजी. And what is the meaning of indefinite? गैर मुअय्यना मुद्दत या गैर वाजिया. Definition: The past indefinite tense is used for a single action or state that took place or existed sometime in the past. The past indefinite tense is used. Past indefinite tense इस्तेमाल किया जाता है for a single action, एक action के लिए, और state that took place or existed sometime in the past, और या फिर आपको बताता है कि कोई एक ऐसा action, कोई ऐसा अमल जो कुछ अरसा पहले माजी में मुकम्मल हुआ, जो कुछ अरसा पहले माजी में अंजाम पाया. took place और existed कुछ अरसा पहले, sometime कुछ अरसा पहले माजी में अंजाम पाया. देन उर्दू में पहचान. फ़ेल के आखिर में अलिफ, बड़ी ये, छोटी ये वगैरह आते हैं. जैसे उसने ख़त लिखा, वो गई, वो दौड़ा, वो गए. एंड द फिफ्थ एग्जाम्पल इज़ मैं आया. व्हाट इज़ द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस? नाउ आई विल टेल यू formation of sentences of past indefinite tense. This is subject plus second form of verb plus object. And what is helping verb in the past indefinite tense? It is did. The first one, affirmative sentences. Rule: we use second form of verb in affirmative sentences after the subject. As you can see in the picture formation, subject plus second form of verb plus object. Example is I drank water. मैंने पानी पिया. What is I? Subject. What is drank? Second form of verb. What is water? Object. Then if we made negative sentences, I have already told you that in negative sentences we always put helping verb did not. Rule: in case of negative sentences we put did not before first form of verb. We always put first form of verb in with did not formation. Subject plus did not plus first form of verb plus object. Subject he. What is did not? Helping verb. What is drink? First form of verb. And what is water? Object. Or you can make any other example. For example, उसने ख़त लिखा. She wrote a letter. And in negative, उसने ख़त नहीं लिखा. She did not write a letter. Then in interrogative sentences. In interrogative sentences, what is the rule of interrogative sentences? We always put helping verb in the beginning or in the start of the sentence. Rule: in case of interrogative sentences we use did in the beginning of question sentences. As I told you before, सवालिया जुमलों में हम helping verb, whatever the helping verb is, this is past indefinite tense, so the helping verb is did. We always put did at the start of the sentence. We use first form of verb with did or did not. We put question mark in the end. If it is interrogative sentence, then we have to put question mark at the end of the sentence. अगर आपके पास सवालिया जुमला है तो आप हमेशा सवालिया जुमले के इख्तिताम पर सवालिया निशान लगाएंगे. Then remember, we always use first form of verb with did or did not in all cases. हम हमेशा did और did not के साथ फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब लगाएंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एम गिविंग यू डिड ही ड्रिंक वाटर. डिड, व्हाट इज डिड? दिस इज हेल्पिंग वर्ब. व्हाट इज सब्जेक्ट? ही. व्हाट इज ड्रिंक? ड्रिंक, फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. व्हाट इज वाटर? ऑब्जेक्ट. एंड देन why we put here interrogative? Why we put here question mark? Because this is a interrogative. Because this is an interrogative sentence. Now this is your past indefinite tense. Hopefully with my this video lecture you will be able to solve page number 23 and 24 from your summer pack workbook by yourself. Stay tuned, stay safe, stay home, keep learning. Allah Hafiz.